Hello, everyone. This is the Fry Cooker. Cooking up truth in oil. The only way I know how to cook up is in truth and oil. Today, I found my new favorite website. This one is just human beings at its funniest and finest. FF. Florida man pulls out gun in confrontation over mask in Walmart. Let's see here. Let's close this. See, he has a gun in his in his hand, and they're arguing. And I guess that's his daughter there, trying to pull her dad away. Yeah, yeah. Maskless customer shot in back by security guard over fight. Oh, right here. McDonald's worker allegedly attacked by Master's customer over abuse. An Illinois woman charged with battery over mass dispute in Home Depot. Man, if you just type in the word mask in here, you'll see some of the wildest stuff on earth. This woman attacked him over a mask. This is a mask. Graphic shares, body cam video. California woman coughs on bartender after being told to wear mask. Man shot Waffle House cook in mass dispute. Arrested mom in subway over face mask. Panic as public shopper brandishes gun over daily counter. Just go to this website and type in the word mask. You will see it, man. I'm trying to see if we can find a footage of this here. There it is. And they're gone. So, that is that masked man right there. Pulling out a gun on a human being. Wearing a medical mask, pulls gun out on the daily clerk. That is footage with hopes it rests. I'm guessing he pulled the gun out on the other person because he didn't have his mask and he didn't want him near him or something. I don't know, but yes, he pulled out a gun on another human being because of a mask and made everyone flee. Yes, anyone that crazy you know is issue. Man told McDonald's ice cream machine broken, pulls out weapon. Is this on video too? Mr. Ice Cream Man, Mr. P, Master P, or whatever. He pulled out a gun on a person. Also, he actually pulled out a BB gun. He pulled out a BB gun on them. I mean, an AR-15 style BB gun. Because a broken ice cream machine when he could have just went to the store and got ice cream. Yes. And exposes himself to woman on subway platform, pulls out gun. Woman passes gas in line at store, pulls knife on offended man. Florida woman pulls gator from her pants at the cops as if anything else. So the gator is now a part of the evidence. Yeah. Clerk pulls gun, arrested in Cleveland cell phone store robbery. Alright, former model accused of juries of death robbery across South. Drunk Florida man shoots boy playing with Nerf gun. Yeah, Florida is the place to be, but I'm telling you, man, let's do this real quick. Here, we're gonna type in mask. Not Jim Carrey mask, but we're gonna type in mask and see what pops up. Trench coat and a mask. I'm gonna catch this nigga lurking room mask outside. Shots fired at the dad, his daughter, and clown. Alright. Already wearing mask, rides motorcycle to rob. Man uses bottled water shrink wrap case as a mask and robbery. Hey. This is from a while ago, but it doesn't matter. That's him. Hey. All you have to do is type in mask. Let me see if you can. Newest to oldest. Okay, there we go. You now have coronavirus. Florida man tells boy. Police say Florida man wanted in cigar store, mass dispute, shooting, wounding police. Masses woman commands demon shoppers leave. I saw that video. I'm sure everyone saw that one. That's this one right here. This is man, woman, California woman calls on bartender. Police seek woman who coughed on 1-year-old. What? Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. No. No. Oh, okay, let's get bad now. Right, this is the woman here. That's the door. Woman again. Baby. Behind. Woman. Baby. More patrons coming in. Baby. Man yelling. No. And someone, I guess she's telling them you need to be this amount apart. Whoa. 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 She took her mask off to make sure that she coughed on the baby. Ah, man, the world of mask. Jim Carrey, look what you started.